Hello, friends. Welcome to Price and Pedia. So today, this is the second video for this channel. Uh, the stock which I have chosen is MANNAPURAM Finance. So this stock is quite interesting one actually. So just wanted to discuss this with you. So let's start. If you look at the price of MANNAPURAM Finance, the price has come down from roughly around 216 rupees, which was the all-time high, to the current price, which is around 108. So I can say that there's a roughly, I would say it has fallen by 50% from the highs. And how has it fallen? It has taken a path which is a downward channel. So this is that downward channel which took price all the way down to 82 rupees. So at 82 rupees, we saw a bottom formation here. Now this formation, bottom formation, happened inside this downward channel, and price came out of this downward channel. As it was coming out, it faced this resistance here. It came back, and now it's testing this resistance again. So what you can see here is that there are two bottoms which are being formed here. One is this bottom. This is the one bottom, and this is the second bottom. This is the higher high bottom. This is, if you can see, this is deeper and this is higher. So I can say that this is double bottom and it's a higher high bottom. Okay, now what exactly is happening here, that is to be seen. Now how do we see that? Let's go into the daily chart. With this daily chart, let's focus on this area now. Now what exactly has happened in this area? We can say it's a head and shoulder pattern which is formed here, with this part as a left shoulder, and this is the head, and this is the right shoulder, right? And the best part is that the very, I mean, I would say yesterday, I guess, the results were announced for this company, and the results were very good. So on an earning day, we saw a very positive momentum in the stock. The stock was able to close above this resistance. Now, with this head and shoulder, inverted head and shoulder pattern forming here, I I'm expecting that the price will definitely do well in the coming days, and I'm expecting that stock is ready to move higher. So if I sum up this whole thing, whatever has happened over past many months, I would say that the price was in a downward channel, and it came out of the downward channel. It broke that downward channel on the upside. And when it came up, it faced the resistance again. Then it formed a bottom here, and this bottom was above this bottom. So higher high double bottom formation here, and then a inverted head and shoulder pattern. So inverted head and shoulder pattern clearly signifies that the price is about to reverse. Now let's talk about, in terms of targets, what targets can we set in this. The very first target which I expect from here, it's a very modest one, is around 125 rupees. I expect this price to reach at least 125 rupees on the short term basis, but on a long term basis, my target for this stock is around 150 to 160 rupees. So 150 to 160 rupees means that, let me just convert it into, in terms of percentage. So that means there's at least a 50% upside in this stock. So with a 50% upside on a long-term basis, and on a short-term basis, I can say around 126 is the target. And what would be my stop loss? My stop loss is quite less here. So I'll keep a stop loss just around 6 to 7% below. So if I keep a stop loss of 7% below, and if I say that my target is around what you call this much, so it corresponds to around 1 is to 2 risk reward. But if you want to go for a little higher targets, then the risk reward becomes even better. It is around 1 is to 7 risk reward ratio if you carry the stock on a long term basis. So yes, something is happening in the stock. There's a downward channel which has been broken on the upside. Then there's a double bottom formation, and the bottom, two bottoms which are forming, the one is the shallow one, other is the higher high double bottom. And then we see an inverted head and shoulder pattern. And then also again, if we go into the fundamental aspect of it, on a fundamental basis, I can say that the results were good, and on the result day it gave a positive momentum. So that adds to the analysis, and that adds to my expectation that this stock should do well. So if you're aiming for a short term target, then your risk reward is 1 is to 2. But if you are aiming for a target for around, say, with a time frame of around 2 to 3 months, then the risk reward improves to 1 is to 7. So This is my recommendation. Hope you liked it. Not a recommendation exactly, but it's just my analysis. I hope you liked my analysis, and please do comment and let me know how you liked my analysis today. Thank you very much. It was really nice presenting you this talk. Have a good day. Bye bye.